what you guys like better, the white or the blue. Alex Choi 720 made it. First time seeing this car in person. Looks like we got some new crew joining us. Ferrari's back. Yo, what is good, Moto fam? It's your boy Ty Moto, and we back at it with another video. Currently at the house right now. I'm about to head out. I got the Supermoto out here. About to head to the Sunset GT. It's my first time checking it out, so it should be pretty cool. Bring the Supermoto up there, see some cool cars. But alright guys, it's already 9:50 and the show already started at 9, so I'm gonna go ahead and head over there. Looks like we got about a 20-minute drive here. Just gotta head over the mountain into West Hollywood. Go ahead and hop on the bike and we're ready to head out. Just cruising through the hills. Making my way downtown, walking fast. Na, 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 na. Real quick. Oh, she's real cold today. I'm gonna have to put the choke on. Better warm up before we hit the streets. So I'm also trying out a new style of video today. Kind of trying to mix the vlog in with like a regular style vlog with my big camera mixed in with the GoPro first person footage as well. So definitely let me know how you guys like it. Oh shit, there goes Supra. He's probably heading to the show. Let me know in the comments how you guys feel about the new Supra. I think it's pretty cool, but it's also like kind of weird looking to me. I was never like a huge fan of the Supra or anything, but definitely a legendary car, you know. Fast and the Furious, all that. But I heard that they were super limited, so it's kind of hard to get them, but definitely think it's cool that they're bringing back the Supras, to say the least. Here it is. Nice little Ferrari. Mazzi, another Ferrari. Now we just gotta find a place to park up. Should be good. A lot of people up here right now. Park up right in front of this Audi. Yeah, all types of wicked ass noises right now. Turbos, superchargers, everything. Alright guys, just switched over to the big cam. Got the DRZ parked up. Some more bikes parked up here. Feds are out here deep right now. Nice GT3. Nice Huracan in this purple. And a green SV. Super Agera pulling out. And the Diablo. Check out that carbon interior. Oh shit, I didn't even see the Chiron. Matte Black Performante. The SV. This bug right here though. With that light blue interior on there. Yes sir. Yeah, that's nice. Let's get a close up of the carbon. I don't even know what this is, but I think it's electric. Let me know down in the comments if you know what this is. The Stealth Urus right here, that's clean. Performante. Ooh, SVJ. I just need me one of these right here and I'm cool. Just look at the back on this. Koenigsegg right here. This is my dream car. Koenigsegg Agera. All carbon in that seal. Blue carbon. Carbon on the wing. Whole back carbon. Even got carbon wheels on that thing. Let me know what you guys like better, the white or the blue. I'll take either one, to be honest, but I think I'm gonna have to go with that white. That just looked nice with the blue accents on it. And I'm peeping Alex Choi's 720 made it. This is a famous car on YouTube right here. Yeah, seeing it in person, it's a really nice wrap. Like, they did a really good job on this. The whole design and everything, the two-tone. I don't think I ever seen it done before, so get a shot of the white side. We got the Mercy heading out. Looks like this is the Ferrari section. I want to see this Pagani right here though. This joint right here. Quadruple exhaust. That ain't regular. Full carbon. Bugatti Veyron. 600 LT. Roof scoop on there. .720 coupe in this teal color. That looks nice. With the beige interior. Top off. Close up with that interior. Another 720 and a Pagani, full carbon. You don't see these every day. First time seeing this car in person. Check out the engine bay. That wing though. Alright guys, so we got to see some pretty cool cars. They're not really letting nobody pull off like that because the cops are right there. But I'm about to hop back on the Supermoto and get some riding in. Excuse me. So hopefully I got some good footage there. I tried to show everything that I could. Definitely was cool to see the Senna, see the LaFerrari for the first time, a lot of cars for the first time. Never seen a Chiron in person. So let me know if you guys like this type of content, vlog style, with my big camera too. Give you guys a little bit better quality. I think I'm gonna follow behind the Chiron right here. Chiron in the Koenigsegg, oh yes sir. I gotta get behind this one real quick though, so we can get some driving shots. The Chiron and the Agera. It's some real California shit right here. Not every day you get to ride behind a Bugatti Chiron and an Agera RS. Nice little 458, 911. Look at the place, why try? You don't want to race this dude. It's over with. I don't care what you got. You might get them on the straightaway, but you're not gonna get them on the tracks. That's a real race car right there. Looks like we got some new crew joining us. Ferrari's back. I just realized it's a perfect match. The DRZ and the Koenigsegg. Alright y'all, we're heading on the freeway. This is where I might get lost. Hopefully I can catch up. LA traffic is the only way I'm keeping up with these guys. Really, that's two of my dream cars, and I'm riding right next to them. So you know what that means, you know? Law of attraction. I'm getting closer. Two of my dream cars I've never seen a day in my life, and then just wake up today trying to go to the car show, and now I'm riding right next to a Bugatti and a Agera RS. Looks like we're going to Lamborghini, North LA. Nah. like we might have lost him at the red light. So if you guys like this video, definitely go and smash that thumbs up button for me. If you guys want to see more of these videos, more vlog style type content, DRZ stuff, pit bike stuff, whatever it is, definitely go and smash that subscribe button. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.
They told me don't die young because I'm talented. You really fuck me, you been around and you ain't asked for shit. Voice of the streets, and if I say it